Hey guys, so today I am here to do my first project pan for the year. I'm super excited. It's a Project 10 pan, all makeup items. So yeah, I just did a get ready with me. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna put up first, but if you're interested, you can watch that. It was kind of like my labor and delivery story. Get ready with me and just kind of where I've been and all the stuff that's been going on in my life. So yeah, if you want to check that out. I'm not sure which one will go up first, but I'll link it when it is up if it isn't already. So yeah, I have 10 products here. They're all makeup. It's my first project pan for the year, which is exciting. I took like 4 months off, 5 months off, because I had a baby. She's 4 months old, 4 months and 2 days old exactly. So yeah, she is getting so big and it's going by so fast, but I never have time to film because, you know, having a baby's a lot. Sorry, I'm putting away my makeup brushes from getting ready. And so yeah, hopefully I'll be able to do some updates here and there. But you guys know I get busy sometimes and with job and kids and life and all that, but hopefully I can get some time. I don't know, I just always have so much mom guilt, and I was talking to my husband about it and I was like, I just need more time like to myself, even though I feel guilty about it, and he was like, let's do it. So anywho, so let's just jump right in. I feel like almost all these products except for 2 are face products, but those are like the ones that I'm like almost done with. So yeah, so the first one is this Olay Fresh Effects BB cream. I really love this stuff, and I've had it for a long time, but I just need to finish it up even though I love it. It's down to there, if you can see that. So it's like right where it says light to medium. So I don't think this will take me very long. But it doesn't have like any coverage really. So when I use it like as a foundation, I usually mix in something with it. So I either mix in one of these 2 things. I was mixing in this, but it's getting a little bit, I don't know, a little bit dark to be mixing in with that, but it's my CoverGirl and Olay foundation, which is my second item in here. This is a nude beige. It's a little bit dark to use just on its own right now, but it's almost gone. So I'm gonna stick it in here anyways, and I can mix it in with something lighter. But yes, I love this foundation. I think they still make this. I think the packaging is just a little bit different, but this is really good. I really do like that. And then the third item, which is what I kind of mix to make everything lighter, but also have some coverage. I use this not really as a concealer. I just kind of mix it with my foundation, but it's the Maybelline Mineral Power Concealer, which I can probably still use as a concealer too. This I've only used a handful of times, so it's pretty full. It's basically full, but I feel like I can go through these kind of concealers pretty fast, and especially if I'm using it like all over, I feel like it won't be too bad. This is in the color Ivory, and it doesn't say, I think it says like 0.15 fluid ounce. I can't read that, it's so tiny, but yeah, I'm gonna put that in there. It's like a little bit too light for me, but it's good when I mix it in with the other stuff. And then I have another concealer in here. It's the Neutrogena Mineral Shears Concealer, and it looks like that. It is almost gone. This powder under here though, I'm not the biggest fan of it, and it's super full. I've tried using it, but it's just not my favorite. I'll probably end up getting around to using it or maybe mixing it in with a different loose powder at some point, but I'm not going to count this in my Project 10 pan, just the concealer. So I think I can get that used up because it's pretty gone. This is an alright concealer. It's not my favorite, but I'm just trying to get it out. 5th product is also a concealer. It's the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Concealer in medium. And it is gone, and I like used it all the way that way, and then I scraped it out. So it's not in here anymore. And I actually put it in this little, it's like an eyeshadow card container or something like that. It looks kind of yucky, but I really love this concealer. I love it so much. It's a little bit dark for me right now, but I mix it in a lot of times with that Maybelline concealer, or I could probably mix it with that other, or Neutrogena or the Maybelline concealers. So I think I can keep using it even though it's a little bit dark for me now, but I love this concealer. It's almost gone, so I just was like, let's just throw it in here. Okay, next I have a couple powders. Both have hit pan. The first one is this L'Oreal Visible Lift powder. This is like that's kind of beat up looking, but it literally just has like a little bit left like on the rim. So the powder is kind of cakey. It's really light, like super light on me, and it has kind of a sheen. So it's taken me a few years to use this up because I can't just use this like all over, but it's almost gone, so it's almost done. I'm excited. And then let's see, is this the 7th item? Is this Wet n Wild Coverall powder. I think they've like repackaged this now, but I've hit pan on it. I actually hit pan on this on my wedding anniversary, but that was kind of a little while ago, so it's taken me a while to actually get this much used up. But it doesn't have that much product in here, only 7.5 grams, and I've already hit so much pan on it, so I should be able to use this up pretty quickly, I think. And then let's see, the next item is a bronzer. It's my Maybelline Mineral Power Bronzer. I've repressed this a couple times, so I don't know if you'll be able to tell how thin it is, but it is really, really thin. And I hit pan on it again. It's a little bit dark for me right now. I've just used like a tiny bit of it, so it might take a little bit longer to use up, but I could use it like as a transition in my eyeshadows as well if I need to. So yeah, I've been using that. 9th item is an eyeshadow, and I have it in this MAC case depotted, but it's actually an e.l.f. Like loose eyeshadow that I pressed in the color Brick, and it is like almost gone. And I've been wanting to get this out of here because I had a little bit of pan on it, and I was like, this actually would be a good color to use like as like a blush, and also like as an all over eyeshadow color. And so I've been using it for like everything, and now it's almost gone. So I threw that in here to get that out, so it's like one more eyeshadow down in my collection. And then the last item is my Almay black eyeliner. It's just a retractable one, and it doesn't have that much left in there, only that much. I mean, that's still kind of a lot, but I feel like I kind of plow through eyeliner pretty fast. So yeah, that is my 10 products. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long to get through that stuff, but I also don't wear makeup every single day now that I have a newborn and I only work part-time, so we'll see how long it takes me to get through everything. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and subscribe if you love Project Pan videos and stuff. So thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.